Hello friends, today I want to share my impressions of the Seesii wireless soldering station with a battery. If you often and consistently participate in soldering or repairing electronics, this device can become your highly indispensable and extremely useful and reliable assistant. What I immediately liked was the portability and compactness of this soldering station. Since it weighs only 1.4 pounds, it is convenient to take it anywhere, thanks to its wireless design and 21 volts battery. You have up to 60 minutes of continuous operation, which is very convenient, especially in places without access to electricity. Charging takes only 2 to 2.5 hours. The powerful 60-watt motor heats the soldering iron very quickly, and you can easily adjust the temperature in the range of 221 to 932 Fahrenheit. Right on the liquid crystal display. This allows for precise control of the soldering process, avoiding overheating. The temperature memory function automatically restores the last used temperature setting automatically. After turning on, which saves your time. I was especially pleased with the built-in safety system. The liquid crystal display shows warnings about low voltage and other potential issues, making the use of the station safe and efficient. The station automatically switches to standby mode after 10 minutes of inactivity and turns off after 30 minutes to save energy. For convenient soldering, the package includes additional accessories, including 5 removable tips and 2/3 hands, 4 holding parts and a mini wrench. This makes the soldering process even more convenient and faster. Overall, if you are looking for a powerful, compact, and safe solution for soldering, I definitely recommend considering this soldering station. There is also an additional charging unit for your battery, for your convenience. It is perfect for both beginners and experienced technicians. I really like it. Thank you for watching my review. See you in the next video.